Hello, teacher.
Hello, Deep. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
Teacher, I'm answer my homework. One is I usually surf the internet. Two is I often clean the house. Three is I always go to the cinema.
Okay, so that's your answer for your homework. Okay, good. Okay, I like that you are able to do it on your own, and also you initiate to
Yeah.
read it for me. Okay, so since we're done with this part, which was this one. Okay, so your free time activities. Okay, so now let's go with the exercise number 10. Okay, let me zoom it in for you so it will be easier for you to read it. Okay,
Yes.
let me know when you're ready. Okay. Okay, I'll wait for you.
One is we really surf the internet. We really surf internet. Two is he often go one no. One is at one is he often go cinema. Go to cinema.
Okay. Yes, it has to be go to. Okay, he often go to the cinema.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Two is I usually read the comic book.
Okay, I usually
Read
read
the
comic books. It has to be like this. Okay, number 3.
is how often do you do the karate?
How often do you
The karate. Do
karate?
okay. Four is what does she do in what does she do in her free time?
Okay, in her
Free time.
free time. Okay, next.
They sometimes clean the house.
Okay, very good. Okay, so as you can see, Deep.
You
So
write
not.
clean house. It's clean the house.
Oh, yeah, it's a repetition. Okay, they sometimes clean the. Okay, it has to have the word the or the article the. Okay, so from this, you can tell, or I can tell that you are able to recognize if the sentence is incomplete or not. Like this one, he often goes cinema. So it has to be, he often go to the cinema. Okay, next. I usually read the comic books. Okay, so there is an incomplete word, which is the word the, and even this one, to the cinema. Okay, you have that, you've seen that correctly. Okay, how often do you do karate, or how often you do karate? But since it is in a question mark, so this one is correct. Okay, what does she do in her free time? Okay, you notice, look at this one. We can't say what do she do in her free time, because she is singular, only one. So when the subject is only one, we use the word does, not do. Okay, so you have to add the word does, which is good. Very good, Deep. Okay, next, they sometimes clean the house. Okay, so you got all perfectly. Okay, so what is your score again? So you got 5 out of 5 because this one is just an example. Okay, koy tuloy. Deep, I'm sorry. Okay, so we read this as rarely.
We rarely surf the internet.
Yes, rarely. Okay, good. Okay, so next.
Teacher, I have
Yes.
a question. Is have English music?
Oh, English music. That's good. Okay, because
The music is very good.
okay, what song do you play with that tiny what do you call that?
Can you listen the 1 minute?
Okay, sure, why
You,
not? Okay,
you
I'll give you time.
1 minute. I have a book. I have music.
Okay. That's fun, huh? Well, I hope you're allowed to do that. Are you allowed to do that, Deep? Because if not, both of us will be in trouble.
Normal.
Teacher, the music lemon cheese.
Lemon cheesy?
Lemon cheese. This.
Oh, lemon cheese.
Yes, yeah.
Nice. Okay. Okay, I will look into that later. Okay, I will find out what's that music about. Okay, teacher also loves music. That's actually good for your speaking skills when you listen to English music. Okay, it will also help you how to pronounce or how to say words. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's focus now here. Okay, so let's start doing this so we can finish more exercises. Okay, Deep. So let's read the exercise number 10.
Exercise.
Always read the instruction. Okay, let's go. Oh, we're done with this one. Sorry, I thought I already moved it to the next page. Okay, so unit 4. Okay, we're done with unit 5. Okay, exercise 11. Okay, look and read. So we have to choose the correct words and write them on the lines. So there is one extra word since we already have here the bike, so we can cross that out. Okay, so now it's your turn. You have to read the question first, okay, before we answer. Okay, you can read it for me.
Yes.
Okay, are you going to use your annotate, your pen?
My bag.
Okay.
Oh, the letter.
Yeah, okay.
Small. I don't know the letters. Big.
That's okay.
Oh no.
For as long as your answer is correct, it's fine with teacher.
Oh, it's big. Yeah. I can the letter big.
You want to delete it or do you want me to do it for you? Okay, this one.
Yes. Finish.
Okay, so you're done. So let's check one by one. Okay, let's use this. Okay, check mark. Okay, so can you read it for me and then tell me your answer so I can hear how you read these words? Okay, go.
One
Mm-hmm.
you use one use a computer. Oh no!
Okay, so all you have to do is, okay, you have here the undo button. Okay, so you just click that below the, there you
This
go.
this one you use a computer or a smartphone to look for information or what visual on this.
Okay,
Next two is this is a funny animated films on a TV and children love watching this is a cartoon.
okay, correct. Next.
It is Saturday and Sunday are called this. We don't go to school on this day. It's the weekend.
Okay, it's the
This is
weekend.
a sport you play with small bats and a small white ball is table tennis. This
Okay,
is
table tennis. Okay, next.
adjustment with strings. You hold it. Your teen to play it. It's violin.
Okay, so it is a violin. Okay, so you got 2, 4, 5. So 5 out of 5 again. Okay, so did you notice why I have these circled words?
Yeah.
Okay, so all your answers are correct, but we will work on your speaking skills. Okay, we will develop that. Okay, so can you try to read this for me first? This word.
Yes. Intermission visuals.
Okay, so Deep, when we are speaking of the words that we are not yet familiar with, okay, all you have to do is read it on your head first. Okay, read it slowly. Okay, so read it on your head first or on your mind first before saying it if you're not sure how to pronounce it. Okay, and if you're not familiar. Okay, like this one. Information.
Uh,
Information.
information.
Sean.
Sean.
That's it. See? So you don't have to rush all the time. Okay? So if you're not familiar or not sure about the word, just say it slowly. Okay? Like this one. Information. Okay, can you say it again?
Information.
See? You're good. I see. Now, let's try a bit faster. Information.
Information.
See? Very good. I like that. So that's the technique. Okay? When you're not familiar with the word, okay, think of it first here or you read it first without using any word. Okay? How about this one? I try this one. Go ahead.
Video.
Okay, so remember we have letter S at the end. Your word is correct, video, but since we have S at the end, so we have to
Videos.
videos like snakes. Okay, at the end, videos.
Videos.
Okay, there you go. See, very good. Okay, now let's have another one. Okay, this one.
Two is animated.
Okay, let's. Okay, okay. So we have a, ni, may, ted. Okay, one by one.
Animate.
Okay, animated. Okay, say it again. Come on.
Animated.
Okay, very good. See, animated. So we don't have to rush. We don't have to hurry. Okay, very good. Animated. Okay, what's the other word again? Okay, let's try some. Okay, this one.
Oh.
Okay, called. Okay, remember we have this word, right? This one we say it cold.
Yeah.
Okay, cold, like cold water, cold drinks. But this one we say it cold, cold, cold. Okay, so it's faster. This one is cold, and this one we say it faster, cold.
Oh.
Okay, very good. So that's about it. Cold. Okay, so next. Okay, you're good at here. We don't have to repeat any word here. How about this one? Okay, this one.
Hold. Hold.
Okay, hold.
Hold.
Okay, hold.
Hold.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Time.
Okay, so this one is chin. This one, we call it chin.
Chin.
Okay, can you point out your chin?
Teacher, I say time because it's I and it's C-H.
Okay, Chin. Okay, so if it's chine, then it has to be with letter E. Okay, but there is no E at the end. So, okay, it's not chine, it's chin. Ch,
Chin.
ch, chin. Okay, this one. This is our chin.
Yes.
Okay, so that's about it. So, information,
Information.
video.
Information.
Okay, it's okay if you say information, that's fine. For as long as you say it clearly. Okay, this one,
It's videos.
very good. This one,
Animated.
again, one by one.
Animated.
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 Okay, like the anime. You know what's anime, right? Like the cartoons. Okay, so animated. Okay, how about this one?
Call. Call. Call.
Okay, the faster one. Called.
Oh.
Called.
Oh.
Okay, and the other one is this one.
Chin.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good, Dave. I like that. You're very easy to learn. Okay, so next, let's
This.
go with, Okay, what do you see here?
Oh no.
So are they inside the house or outside?
Example is where are the children in the garden? What is the boy on the path doing? He is riding a bike.
Correct. Okay, so now all we have to do is look at the pictures here. Okay, observe what they are doing. Okay, including this very cute dog or puppy, I meant. Okay, a small dog or a baby dog is called puppy. Okay, and then we will complete these sentences. Okay,
Yes.
so let's try number one and number two. And later you have to write two sentences about the pictures. Okay, two sentences.
Yes.
Okay, take your time, don't rush.
Wait.
Okay, so you can also do this. Okay, just take your time, don't rush.
Oh no!
It's okay. I just deleted like the letter E. Maybe you just missed out. Okay, because you misspelled it. That's fine.
Yes.
Okay, so you can go with the next two questions. Okay, so let's now check your answer. Okay, what is the little dog doing on the grass? So your answer is
It was it's running on the gas.
okay. So your answer is it's. Okay, you have to write the apostrophe. Okay, we call it apostrophe. Or you can just say it is running on the grass. So both of these are correct. Okay, but if you want to make it shorter, you can use this. Okay, so when we use it means it talks about an animal, it talks about an object or thing. Okay, which is good because dog is we call that is we a pronoun that we will use for the animal is it's. Okay, so see, I deleted some of your answers. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now remember like what I've said before, when we are answering questions, we have to get some of the words from the question. Okay, do you still remember that, Deep?
Yes.
Okay, so if we will do that, what will be the answer? But your answer is correct, okay? Don't worry. We will just add some or we will add the correct way of answering it. Okay? So the correct answer would be, what is the little dog doing on the grass?
Yes. The dog is running on the gas.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's how you answer it. Okay, in a complete sentence. Very good. Okay, how about number two?
Number two is it was sunny.
Okay, correct. So it
Was.
okay, we won't say was. Okay, remember the question is in present tense. Okay, so we will use the word is. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
that's
Teacher,
fine with teacher.
go to
Hmm.
go to toilet.
Okay, okay, go ahead. I'll just wait for you here. I'll wait for you.
Teacher, I want to translate with you. One more minute.
Okay, go ahead. If you need 1 more minute. Deep, come back once you're done, okay? As quick as you can.
Teacher.
Okay, are you done now?
My classes? I have a specialized English class tomorrow.
Okay, so you have a specialized English class tomorrow. Okay, so you'll be absent tomorrow?
Yes. It's English special desk English.
Okay, good. That's fine with me. So if you are available on the next day, then we can also do that. If just if you're available, you can ask your mom, okay? So it's fine with me if you cannot make it tomorrow. Okay, we can just resume on the next day.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's go with the next one. What is the weather like in the picture? Okay, so you said it was sunny. Okay, so we can write it in a complete sentence. Okay, can you try?
It was sunny, or is sunny, or
Okay,
the weather is sunny.
okay, so the weather from the picture or in the picture, you can also use in or from. In the picture is, remember it is in present tense, so we won't use the word was, okay? Is sunny. Okay, so the weather in the picture is sunny.
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is still correct. Okay, we will just have to work on some of the words. Okay, number 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Okay, the girl with black hair is watering the beautiful red flowers. Okay, correct. Tom and Ben are very happy, so they are playing table tennis. Okay, remember that we have two underlined or two blank words here. Okay, so you can use table here or write the table here and the other one is tennis together. Okay, but that's correct. Okay, so next time, just in case you have like a test and it has like two lines, so you have to separate your answer, okay? So your teacher will find it correctly. Okay, so number 5. Now write two sentences about the picture. Okay, can you please read your answer for me?
Number one, my is water the rose. It says
Okay.
name the teacher.
Yeah, it's my name. Okay, you can say this instead of my is water the rose. Okay, water is a noun. Remember, what is my doing? Watering. Okay, that's how we say it. We don't say water. Okay, watering. Okay,
Yes.
but that's fine. Teacher will give you a consideration on that one. So we say my is watering the rose. Okay. So you don't have to write it in big letter. Okay?
Yes.
Because that will become a name. Remember, this is a flower. Okay,
Yes.
so we can just say my is watering the rose. But that's fine if it's in capital letter as well, because it is a specific kind of flower. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
it's given. That's fine. Okay, remember watering, not water, ha? Okay, so okay, I'll give you consideration on this one. Tom is playing table tennis with Ben. Very good. Okay, so you got how many correct answers? So you got 6. For as long as you understand and I can understand your English, it's fine with teacher, because that's the reason why we are here. So we will work on your English. Okay, so clap your hands. Come on. Give yourself a big round of applause. Okay, so next is, I think we're done with Unit 4. Okay, very good, Deep, because you're very, very, very quick learner. Okay, let's go with Unit 5. Okay, let's have a look first with this one.
The school job fair.
Okay, let me know if you can hear it. Can you hear it from your
Girlfriend.
end? Okay, yes. Do you hear the audio?
Yes.
Look at this picture. The children are at the school job fair. They look very happy. First,
I'm sorry.
Big listen.
I'm sorry
Yes.
again.
Big listen. It's big hug.
It's
Her is
too loud. Oh, it's too loud.
yes.
Okay. I'll just lower the volume for you then. Okay. Oh, I forgot you're on a speaker.
look at Hoa and
Okay,
Mai.
speaker mode.
Hoa would like to be a doctor because she'd like to help people.
Oh, where are you, Deep?
Mai would like to be a teacher because she'd like to teach children. Then look at Fong and Quan. Fong has a microphone. He'd like to be a reporter because he'd like to report the news. Quan would like to be a writer because he'd like to write stories. After that, we can see Lynn with her plants. She would like to be a gardener because she'd like to grow flowers. Later, look at Nam and Tony. Nam is wearing a red hat. He'd like to be a firefighter. Tony is in a yellow car. He'd like to be a taxi driver. The job fair is wonderful. What would you like to be in the future?
Okay, we're done with this video. Like a short clip. Okay, so well, before we go with the worksheet, oopsie, let's go with the picture first. I would like to know, what did you notice from this job fair? Okay, can you tell me what do you see here aside from the video we showed earlier?
Yes. In the video is have my Ling name and many names.
Okay, there are many names. Okay, but from the video, okay, it talks about the job fair as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the job fair means different kinds of jobs. Okay, so like this one. So my future job. Okay, before we start, can you tell me something about your dream job?
Yes.
Okay, do you have a dream job, or what do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
Not yet.
But I want to be a doctor. But this I don't know. Um.
Okay. So right now, mhm.
Not now. Uh. Uh. It's a. It's a month. Last month. Last month.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so last month you wanted to become a doctor. Is that what you want to tell me?
I don't like.
Okay, but right now,
I don't know.
okay, you change your mind. Okay, I get that. Yeah, because when you're a kid, sometimes yeah, it really changes the careers that we want.
I cook. Uh. Cook is a. Cook.
Chef.
Yes, calf. Cook.
Okay, chef. Uh-huh. So you want to cook someday, maybe like enroll in a school where culinary arts, something like that. So yeah, that's good.
And I can cook some the food. I can
Mhm.
cook the the meat, the egg, the soup, the the
Like everything.
oh not
Everything that comes in your mind.
yeah
Okay. Yeah, teacher also loves to cook. Okay,
no,
because
sweet sweet.
oh, next week you want to be a chef. Okay, oh, that's good. Okay, so when you grow up, of course, you will have that kind of job that you wanted. Okay, so let's resume our lesson. So my future job. Okay, so like this one, it
This
is
is
a listening
job
practice.
one.
Okay, so
Yes yes yes
mhm. So we don't have an audio here. So teacher will read some of these future jobs, but you have to listen, of course. So do you have like a pencil there or a paper with you?
yes.
Okay. So you have to listen carefully, and teacher will read um some
Teacher,
jobs here. Yes.
I can
Mm-hmm.
pick the job not in the picture.
Yes. Not okay. So look at this. Okay, I'll show it again
It's
for
called
you.
assistant engineer. And
Okay, so teacher will read this for you. Of course, you have to answer later. Okay,
yeah,
but I will not show it to you here because it is part of the listening practice. Okay, so before we answer this, you have to listen to me first. Okay, so we will work on your listening skills. Okay, so for now, teacher will just talk, okay, and give you the story, and you have to listen carefully.
yeah.
Okay, so if you have question, you just have to tell me. Okay, so now, my dream jobs. Okay, Tom loves airplanes. So he wants to travel around the world.
Teacher,
And
I can't see your screen.
yes, that is part of our listening skills.
Oh,
Okay, so only your hearing and understanding. Okay, so you have to hear me first before we answer. Okay, so ready?
yes.
Okay, I'll do it again. So my dream jobs. So Tom loves airplanes. He wants to travel around the world and fly an airplane. In the future, Tom would like to be a pilot. Okay, the next character is Mary. Mary is kind and helpful. She likes taking care of people when they are sick. She wants to work in a hospital and help patients. Mary would like to be a nurse. Okay, next is Peter. Okay, Peter enjoys drawing houses and tall buildings. He is creative and likes designing things. Peter would like to be an architect. Okay, Peter would like to be an architect. Okay, next is Linda. Linda loves reading books and writing stories. She has many ideas and enjoys sharing them with others. Linda would like to be a writer. Are you following?
Yes.
Okay,
But my
good.
pen is not have a.
Oh no.
My pen
Okay.
not have
Uh, it's
um.
not working? Your pen
Yes.
is not working?
Yes. It's
Okay.
more
Mhm.
working.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so do you have other pen with you? You can try. Okay, get another one if you can.
Okay.
Even just pencil or ball pen or marker if you have that. Okay, ready?
Go.
Okay, which part have you not write the character? You're done with Linda?
Yes. It's Tom. Tom. No.
Uh,
Link. Link.
okay, Linda. Okay, I'll go with Linda again. Linda loves reading books and writing stories. She has many ideas and enjoys sharing them with others. Linda would like to be a writer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, next is Ben. Ben loves music. He plays different musical instruments and enjoys making songs. Ben would like to be a musician.
Yes.
Okay, next is Jack.
Yes.
Jack wants to work in a factory and help make products. He likes learning how things are made. Jack would like to be a factory worker. Okay, now, are you ready to answer the questions?
Yes.
Okay, good. So here we have number 1. Tom would like to be a blank in the future.
Pilot. Nurse.
Okay, so we don't say pilot, we say pilot.
A pilot.
Okay. Mary wants to be a nurse because she'd like to look after patients. How about number 3? Okay, Peter would like to be an architect because he'd like to design buildings. Linda would like to be a writer. Oh, that is so quick. I haven't finished reading it. Okay, so Linda would like to be a
Don't read. And read you don't read. Tom would like to be a pilot.
Mhm.
One Tom would like to be a pilot in the future. Mary wants to be a nurse because she'd like to look after parents. I don't know. Read. I don't know.
Patience.
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 Okay.
Peter
Next.
would like Peter would like to be an architect because he'd like to design buildings.
Okay, design.
Design.
Okay.
Or
Next.
Linda would like to be a writer because she'd like to write stories.
Very good. Number 5.
Would you like to be a musician? Musician.
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 Okay,
Yes, I would.
musician.
Yes,
Mhm.
I would. 6 is he'd like to be a factory worker and work in a factory.
Okay, very good. So all of these are correct. Okay, very good because you know how to listen carefully. Okay, and you answered it perfectly again. So why you always get 6 out of 6? Very good. Okay, always perfect, huh? Okay, so again, let's try to read this. Come
Yes.
on.
One is pilot.
Okay.
Is a pine. It's not. Um, a painted.
Okay, pay.
Patience.
Patience. Okay, patience.
Patience.
Okay, so how about this one?
Is that dancing.
Design.
Sign.
Okay, design.
Sound.
Okay, design. Okay, and the other one, okay, the rest is you're good already with this part. Okay, pilot, patience, design. Pilot, patience, design. Okay, say it again.
Design. Beside design.
Okay, pilot, patience, design.
Pilot. Patient. Design.
Very good. Okay, so that's how you read those words. Okay, so now we have exercise 2. Okay, so what would they like to be?
Um, Tom like to be a uh uh mm,
So this one is different, right? So that means you need to listen for another audio. Okay, but this time,
uh,
okay, it's okay. So
no.
from the video, did you recall the parts where there is a video? Okay, so let's try to read this future jobs. Okay, we don't have to answer those because it is just an audio or video. Okay, what happened? Are you typing a message? Okay, so like this one. Okay, can you tell me something about a doctor using your own words about a teacher? Okay, all of this. Okay,
One
you just have to tell me what are they are doing.
doctor is a head pupil. Teacher is teach children. Firefighter is head pupil. Reporter report the news. Writer is write story. Gardener is grow flowers. Taxi driver is drive the pupil softly.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm
Yes.
study. I am study a reporter. It's MC.
Oh, you're an MC or master ceremony.
Yes.
Okay, good. That's great. Okay, master ceremony. Okay, even just with talking, right? Okay, hosting an event, you can actually earn money being an MC. Okay,
Yes.
so that's actually great.
My teacher is um is the people in the window um the
You can
the
do it in the school, in the
can
event.
translate. I can translate.
Okay. Okay, when you are trying to say something deep, don't think about it like very fast. Okay? Or don't say it very fast. Okay? You can just say it slowly so teacher can hear it properly. Okay? But that's good when you're trying to talk like you're very excited to tell me that's why you are speaking so fast. Okay, so what word are you are about to tell me? Since we only have 5 minutes left, okay, let's continue that next meeting.
Teacher MC. My teacher MC is the editor. Editor is um is I spell this is EDITOR T-O-R.
Editor. Okay. So your teacher is an editor.
Yes.
Okay. So there are editors who are, like let's say
She
someone is writing and then she will edit those words. And there are some editors in videos. So there are different kinds of editors.
she
Okay.
review the food
Oh, okay. So she reviewed the foods. Okay,
and
food
the
editor.
weather.
And even with weather. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's a great profession or like a great job. It can actually earn a lot of money.
Since I study herses and she uh uh give me the 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 the
You
the
can do it. Come on.
the
She gave you what?
the um the book is have MC is uh it's have
Script?
myself yes it's have
Okay.
stuff my I and the many
Okay. So your teacher gave you a script
yes
about you and others.
yeah
Okay, so yes, because when you are doing like or being an MC, you have to talk, right? So you have to tell what is going on, what is about the event, right? So you will be the host. Mm-hmm. What's that? Oh, okay, stickers.
this
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
friend my friend draw with me the picture this
Oh, wow. You know how to draw, huh? No, teacher doesn't know how to draw that beautifully. Okay. So, do you have something else to say? Okay, by the way, you're very good today as always because you got perfect score again.
yeah
Okay, that's great. And always remember the words that we read today. Okay?
yes
So, we will work on that. And another one is hmm, when you are telling teacher something, you just have to be relaxed. Okay? So don't pressure yourself. Just relax. Just be yourself. Okay? And don't talk too fast. Because sometimes when we talk too fast, our brain is so fast as well thinking about what word we have to use, right? Okay, but that's actually great because when you talk too fast, sometimes you're thinking fast as well. Okay, so I'll see you on. Okay, you just have to tell your mom when can we meet again. Okay, because tomorrow you'll be absent, right? Okay, and
yeah
good luck with your exam. Okay, I know you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I will cheer you up from here, from the Philippines. Okay, while you're answering. Okay, go deep. Come on. You can do it. Okay, so study hard tonight for your exam tomorrow. Okay?
yes
Bye. Thank you.